Welcome back to our channel. 2025 Lexus RX continues to redefine what luxury crossover SUVs can offer, combining elegant design, advanced technology, and refined performance. With its rich legacy and modern upgrades, the RX remains a top contender in its class. The 2025 model refines this legacy further with sleek updates, more efficient hybrid options, and enhanced driver assistance systems, ensuring it meets the demands of today's discerning drivers. The exterior of the 2025 Lexus RX showcases the brand's evolving design philosophy. The signature spindle grille has been slightly toned down but remains bold and distinctive, now seamlessly integrated into the front fascia for a more cohesive look. Slimmer LED headlights with L-shaped daytime running lights give the RX a sharper, more aggressive presence, while smooth body lines and sculpted fenders create a dynamic silhouette. The rear features a full-width LED light bar and Lexus lettering, replacing the traditional emblem to emphasize a modern touch. The RX rides on 19 or 21-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim, adding to its upscale appeal. Inside, the 2025 RX delivers on Lexus's promise of luxury and craftsmanship. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials, from soft-touch surfaces to available semi-aniline leather. Ambient lighting, real wood or aluminium trim, and a streamlined dashboard layout provide a premium atmosphere. The Lexus Interface Infotainment system is anchored by a 14-inch touchscreen, offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and Lexus includes a voice assistant that responds to natural speech commands, making it easier to adjust settings while driving. Multiple USB-C ports, an optional head-up display, and a panoramic sunroof further elevate the in-cabin experience. Powertrain options for the 2025 RX include a mix of gas and hybrid configurations, with an emphasis on performance and efficiency. The RX 350 is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 275 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. For those seeking better fuel economy, the RX 350 hours hybrid uses a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine combined with electric motors to generate 246 horsepower while achieving impressive fuel efficiency figures. The RX 500 hours F Sport Performance is the most powerful variant, combining the turbocharged engine with a high-output hybrid system for a total of 366 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive, delivering a sportier driving experience with responsive handling. Ride quality remains a strong suit for the RX. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, soaking up road imperfections with ease. However, the RX 500 hours F Sport version offers adaptive dampers and a more performance-oriented suspension for those who desire a more engaging ride. Steering is precise, and cabin insulation is excellent, providing a quiet, relaxed driving environment. Safety remains a core focus for Lexus, and the 2025 RX comes equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 as standard. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, and proactive driving assist. An advanced parking system and a 360-degree camera are available on higher trims for added convenience. Practicality is also well addressed. The RX offers generous cargo space, with up to 29.6 cubic feet behind the second row and over 46 cubic feet with the seats folded. Rear seat comfort is excellent, with plenty of legroom and available heated and ventilated seats. The power liftgate with kick sensor makes loading easier, and roof rails allow for additional cargo options. In summary, the 2025 Lexus RX is a well-rounded luxury SUV that successfully blends style, comfort, technology, and performance. Whether you opt for the efficient hybrid or the powerful F-Sport model, the RX delivers a premium experience tailored to a wide range of needs. It remains a top choice for those looking to elevate their daily drive with sophistication and innovation. Thanks for watching and don't forget subscribe this channel.